Daily word list. Code red, noun.
Alarm bell, wake-up call, caution, warning.
The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, noun.
The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is the United Nations body for assessing the science related to climate change.
Window of opportunity, phrase.
A short period of time in which one has a chance to do/achieve something, lucky chance, good time, golden opportunity, suitable time/moment, opportune occasion.
Arguably, adverb.
Possibly, conceivably, maybe, potentially.
Impending, adjective.
Imminent, close at hand, about to happen, approaching, nearing/coming.
Catastrophe, noun.
Disaster, mishap, crisis.
Unmitigated, adjective.
Unabated, undiminished, untempered, unmoderated.
Global warming, noun.
It is the unusually rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, primarily due to the greenhouse gases released as people burn fossil fuels.
Lend credence to, phrase.
To make something, opinion/idea, seem correct.
Wildfire, noun.
A large destructive fire which breaks out in forest-like area, forest fire, bush fire.
Heat wave, noun.
A long period of hot weather, hotness, humidity.
Influence, verb.
Affect, have an effect on.
Climate change, noun.
A long-term change in the Earth's climate, or of a region on Earth.
Stark, adjective.
Clear, distinct, evident, obvious, striking.
Call for, phrasal verb.
Require, publicly ask/necessitate, demand.
Cut, noun.
Reduction, decrease, lessening.
Carbon dioxide, CO2, emission, noun.
The release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
Greenhouse gas, noun.
Heat-trapping gas, a gas, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc., in the atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiation, causing the greenhouse effect and warming of Earth's temperature. Courtesy, VOA Learning English.
Move, noun.
Initiative, measure, step, action.
Net zero emissions/carbon neutrality, noun.
It means annual zero net CO2 emissions. Carbon neutrality means every ton of anthropogenic, human-caused or influenced CO2 emitted is compensated with an equivalent amount of CO2 removed, for example via carbon sink or carbon sequestration.
Consequence, noun.
Outcome, ramification, repercussion.
Far, adverb.
Very much, considerably, markedly, significantly.
Humanity, noun.
Human beings, humankind, the human race.
Irreversible, adjective.
Unchangeable, invariable, irrevocable.
Bound to, adjective.
Certain, sure, very likely, guaranteed.
Stone wall, verb.
Obstruct, impede, interfere with, hinder, hamper, block, interrupt.
Move away from, phrasal verb.
Change/alter one's ideas/beliefs/views and so.
Fossil fuel, noun.
Non-renewable resources, or fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas are formed from the buried/deposited organic materials.
Multilateral, adjective.
Involving many different countries/parties/organizations.
Attribute, verb.
Ascribe, assign, connect/associate with.
Catastrophic, adjective.
Destructive, ruinous, disastrous.
Sustained, adjective.
Continuous, constant, unabating.
Marine, adjective.
Relating to the sea.
Precipitation, noun.
Rain, rainfall.
Ecological, adjective.
Environment friendly, eco-friendly, natural.
Drought, noun.
Dry spell, dry period, lack of rain, shortage of water.
Proportion, noun.
Ratio, distribution.
Tropical cyclone, noun.
A very powerful low-pressure weather system that results in strong winds, over 120 kilometers per hour, and heavy rainfall, up to 250 millimeters in one day. Tropical cyclones have different names depending on where they occur in the world. In the US and the Caribbean they are known as hurricanes. In South Asia, cyclones. In East Asia, typhoons, and in Australia they are known as willy willies. They all develop in the same way and have the same characteristics.
Permafrost, noun.
A permanently frozen layer on or under Earth's surface. It consists of soil, gravel, and sand, usually bound together by ice.
Phenomenon, noun.
Situation, fact, occurrence, event, happening.
For instance, phrase.
As an example,
Paris Agreement/Accord/Pact, noun.
the Paris Agreement builds upon the convention, agreement, and for the first time brings all nations into a common cause to undertake ambitious efforts to combat climate change and adapt to its effects, with enhanced support to assist developing countries to do so.
Consensus, noun.
An idea or opinion that is shared by all the people in a group.
Mitigation, noun.
Alleviation, reduction, lessening.
Adaptation, noun.
Alteration, modification, adjustment, changing, transformation.
Depress, verb.
Slow down, slow up, reduce, deflate.
Scenario, noun.
Cause of events, situation, context.
Collapse, noun.
Breakdown, failure, disintegration, lack of success.
Virtually, adverb.
Practically, almost, nearly.
Global water cycle, noun.
It describes the circulation of water. Water evaporates from oceans and lakes and precipitates on land as rain or snow.
Pose, verb.
Constitute, present, create, cause, a problem or danger or risk.
Sink, noun.
The main natural carbon sinks are plants, the ocean and soil. Plants grab carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to use in photosynthesis. Some of this carbon is transferred to soil as plants die and decompose. The oceans are a major carbon storage system for carbon dioxide.
Carbon sink, noun.
Also known as carbon sequestration, a natural environment, forest or reservoir, which absorbs and stores carbon, greenhouse gases, from the atmosphere and thereby maintains a balance. Carbon sequestration is the process by which the forest removes and stores carbon from the atmosphere.
Atmospheric, adjective.
Relating to the atmosphere of the earth.
Set the stage for, phrase.
Prepare the circumstances for the beginning of something.
26th UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties, noun.
The 26th session of the Conference of the Parties of the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change is expected to take place from 01 the 12th of November 2021 in Glasgow, UK. The COP26 summit will bring parties together to accelerate action towards the goals of the Paris Agreement and the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change.
Course, noun.
Plan of action, course of action, approach, procedure, way, direction, path.
Legacy, noun.
Something received from a predecessor or from the past.
Legacy emission, noun.
The sum of the lifetime emissions of the ancestors, of the community as a whole.
Strings, noun.
Conditions, restrictions, provisions, requirements.
With, no, strings attached, phrase.
Without any special conditions or restrictions or provisions.
Hesitation, noun.
Unwillingness, disinclination, reluctance.
Steeper comparative adjective of steep, adjective.
Sudden, sharp, rapid.